Hello everyone, I'm Glee. So far we've talked about the voice in our head, the observer, and keeping our hearts open. But what happens when life actually hurts? Most of us spend our entire lives running away from the pain. We avoid it, we hide from it, or we pretend it's not even there. But today, I want to share a perspective that might sound radical. Pain is not your enemy. It's a gift. In this episode, we learn how to use pain as a tool for ultimate liberation. Why does certain information or a specific comment hurt so much? Michael Singer explains this through the concept of Samskaras. A Samskara is essentially a finished energy pattern from a past that you could not process at the time. You pushed it down and it got stuck in your heart. Now, whenever something outside in the world touches the spot, the pain resurfaces. Pain is simply the feeling of that old, blocked energy trying to pass through. It's not bad, it's just unfinished business. Here is the secret. Pain is the indicator of where you are not free. If a comment about your work hurts you, that is exactly where your growth needs to happen. Instead of trying to fix the person who hurts you, the pain will showing you where you are still closed. When the pain arises, don't pull away. Don't close your heart. Relax into it. Just as we learned in the third episode, if you stay open, that old samskara can finally move through and leave your system forever. It's like cleaning that wound. It stings for a moment. Yeah, I know. But that's how it heals. Your mission for today is to change your relationship with discomfort. The next time you feel that sting in your heart, take a breath and say, "Thank you for showing me this. I'm letting it go." Every time you allow pain to pass through without closing, you are performing a quantum jump in your spiritual evolution. You are becoming a person who is no longer a prisoner of their own past. Stop running. The very thing you are afraid of is the key to your freedom. Embrace the gifts of pain. Purify your heart and watch how your life transforms. I'm Glee, your cheerleader on this journey to a great life. In the fifth episode, we'll talk about beyond the walls and how to step out of the comfort zone that keeps you small. Subscribe to Glichee and see you in the next episode.